So with spots and stains, typically the spots we remove through general cleaning purposes, through various just alkaline pre-sprays. However, the stains, if we can remove them, we use a combination of oxidizers and reducers. And it's pretty interesting because the chemistry that goes into it, the oxidizers were adding oxygen to that spot or stain through the chemistry we're using. And the reducer, that chemistry actually removes oxygen. And in the process of adding oxygen or removing oxygen from that stain, it's going to make that spot or stain disappear. Technically, it's still there, it's clean. The color is technically still there, but the way the human eye sees it is a little different. It almost makes it like magic disappearing ink, which is kind of cool. So the oxidizers adding oxygen to the spot, that's typically for organic stains, like grass stains or urine stains, or browning caused from anything organic, maybe by an animal or a human. The reducers are typically for synthetic stains, things with dye, like Kool-Aid, or any kids' drinks, some makeup. If that's changing the color of the fiber of the carpet through a dye, a synthetic dye, that's what we use the reducers on. It removes oxygen and it actually makes that stain disappear. It's pretty interesting.